What's going on, YouTube? Chicago Reacts. Got another screen recording by FunnyMarco. I don't know if it's a looking for love or a roasting session. I think it's a roasting session. Hey, man, I think it's, I don't know, it could be a lot of things, man, because, you know, Marco, he started off with one, he finished with another. You get what I'm saying? So, I think it's a roasting session because how they was acting on that. You know what I'm saying? It was a girl looking on, she was looking for love or whatever case may be. And then he that set up the two ugliest dudes on the grid to box it out or to roast it out. Like, I don't know, man. I can't go back and forth with, you know what I'm saying, with Buddy with the, you know, with the burnt face. Y'all know what I'm talking about. He be on there a lot. I can't go back and forth with him, man. I'd be too busy laughing or something. I don't know. But he don't want you to feel sorry for him. He wants you to go all in on him. I don't know. And Buddy went in on him. They went in on each other, and I don't know, man. I just know he have his little partners to come in, even though he met them all on his page. But you know, it's funny. It is what it is. It's hard to get on his page. I don't even want to really get on there. I just want to screen record because it'd be funny and post it and laugh about it later or something. You know what I'm saying? That's all I want to do. Enjoy life, smile every day. Forget what the hell they gotta say, man. You ain't got no headers, you ain't popping. I don't want to pop. I just want to upload. That's all I want to do is upload on all whatever pages I got. Let's upload. Hey, share this video out too. Got some energy drink. Got to stay up at night, you know. Handle a little working business, you know how it is. But man, comment down below, man. What's your funniest prank that he did already, or is looking for love, or whatever the case may be? Because I think, like I said, it started off like he wanna looking for love or prank calls or roasting, and the end off somewhere else. It just be going left. A lot of times it go left with the dude, the real purple dude with the big old bifocal glasses, pop bottle glasses, and like, dude, he ain't funny, but yeah, then he bring that little fat boy up with the three. He said he got two shirts. He bring Buddy up, then he bring the burnt dude up, and then he just rotate them and bring them up on each girl or whatever the case may be. It be some little stunning girls on there, but they be, in my opinion, they just be looking for thoughts. They thoughts. You know what I'm saying? They looking for all the wrong things. I ain't on it for that. I just wanna, you know what I'm saying, screen record. That's about it. Doing my hair. I don't know, a little bit too old for that, but it is what it is, man. Like again, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, share. You can bypass me. Y'all don't want to see me talking. You know what I'm saying? Bypass me. 1110. No, 310. I'm gonna post him. 310. Let's skip 310. I'm out.
Oh,
You got
my
double.
bad. I just got out the
Boy,
joint.
your fat mechanical pencil head ass, fat neck face ass, something on your that damn do-rag tight as hell on your head. Your ass got Down syndrome. Your ass ugly as shit, boy. Your ass look like a purple or
Shut
red
up. You look
mechanical
like
pencil.
Slough off
Shut
the
your dirty left
Goonies.
ass up, nigga.
Motherfucker.
Somebody smacked you.
Motherfucker, look
It
at
look like
you.
somebody picked the battery up
You
and just
caught
threw
on
your head
fire
right there.
smoking crack.
Your battery fat as fuck. Your head fat as hell. Your ass like a double
Look
back.
at your lips. You can blow a bubble with a Jolly Rancher.
Bitch, your ass can go to White Castle. They know what the fuck you want.
You wasn't even born. You was hatched.
Bitch, your ass didn't even, bitch, you didn't even get, bitch, you didn't gain weight, bitch. It just came to you when you was born, bitch. Stop playing on me. Fuck.
You look like Michael Myers
Bitch,
before he
you should
started
not be
wearing
talking
the
about anybody.
mask.
Bitch, your ass look like Fat Albert. 500
One,
pound ass nigga.
one joke at a time. Let's go.
You look like an Alaskan fruit bat. You hear me? Your body don't hold nothing but bat blood. And
Bitch,
you
your
smell
belly,
like pee.
nigga, your
You
belly
look
button
like
bigger
you
than your
smell like
toenail.
pee.
Stop talking to me. Nigga,
Ugh.
you
You ugly
gotta
as hell. You could
vasectomy.
scare a pit
Nigga,
bull out of a
how old
meat
is you?
truck.
How old is you? Because I know you got a vasectomy before you was 30 years old.
How old is you? You look like 117 in bed bug years.
Nigga, how old is your nose? Nigga, that motherfucker pumpkin out. You fucking pumpkin man looking nigga.
Look at your nose. Your nose look like a PT Cruiser front end.
Nigga, let me tell you something real quick. Let me tell you something. You got a fat ass white tee on.
Ugh, you look like a
Looking
burnt
stupid as
spark
shit.
plug.
Nigga,
You
shut
look
your
like a
Harry
put
Potter
out
looking ass the
mouth.
fuck up, nigga. One Direction looking ass. Nigga, you
Ugh.
tired of this shit. You know that?
If you had a wig on, you'd look like
Man, come on.
Harriet Tubman.
Man, come on. Take off your do-rag. You know you ain't getting no waves up there. Take off the do-rag.
Ugh.
That motherfucker just tight on your head for nothing. Your head finna blow up.
Oh, he really
Take
want to
out.
crack.
Take out the do-rag. Take out the do-rag.
Yes.
I bet you $200 you want to take out that do-rag.
Take off your face.
Hey,
Why
bitch,
your lips flipping from Tootsie
take out the
Roll to
mouth.
Cherry
Button.
Green?
Let me see. Let me see who can get you. Hold on. Damn, hold on. What happened?
Oh my God, man. Who was that, man? He looked like he blew out a Scat Pat muffler.
So like, hold on.
He tried it too.
Hold on.
Ugh.
Wait.
And he don't even know I think he my oldest boy.
What's up, gang? What I miss?
Where that chick go?
He roasting people right now. I'm just trying to see who's gonna out roast him.
What's up? What's up, G?
What up, bro?
Man, chilling. I just got out the penitentiary. I just did 19 years for stealing meat from Kroger's. They gave me 19 years for stealing $300 worth of meat out of Kroger's. You hear me?
Ugly as hell.
You set light skinned niggas back 130 years.
Bro, I ain't light skinned, bro.
Man, yeah,
Your
you
do-rag
is. You
tight
look
as a
like
bitch.
Will
That
Smith
do-rag
with
tight as
Down
hell.
syndrome.
Niggas can see your thoughts. That tight ass do-rag.
Your nose look like two garage
like
doors open.
Daddy. Let me see your ceiling. Your ceiling dirty as hell. Your house dirty. Let me see your house.
Ain't.
Let me see your ceiling. You don't got no furniture, bro. Go back. Where your furniture at, bro?
No, I'm in the halfway house. What you talking
That ain't
about?
a halfway house, bro. You ain't got no furniture, bro.
What's going on?
Yeah. Look at you. You got.
In this bitch. Yeah, we don't give a fuck. Yeah, what? What a whole time about? Yeah.
She came right here talking about FNN.
Yeah. On all the smoke.
Okay.
We
I
just
see
said
you
though, we
there
got
with
your
that
baby
little
daddy
dirty
hoe.
do-rag
We
on.
got your baby daddy
Nigga
hoe.
said
Come
dirty
snatch
do-rag.
him. You feel me? Come snatch him then, bitch. Yeah.
How you doing?
Hey, how you doing? Fine. I don't like. Never mind. I don't want to get fired up.
What city you in?
I don't like the way you talk. You talk like this. I hate it. Like that. Talk like that. Like, why are you talking like that? Where you
You
from?
look like a strong crackhead. Hey, what city you from?
Something. What the hell? We don't do that out here in Montgomery.
In Montgomery? Where you at, the county jail?
Bro, just look at his face. Look at his. He look like he's 45. Hold on, bitch, Mr. Potato Head.
I am. I'm 43.
Hold on,
I'm
Mr.
43.
Potato Head. He damn near look like Keith Sweat.
I bet your coochie smell like feet.
Who can love you like me? That's how you be? Or nah?
You look like a
Bitch, look at
strong
his
ass
face,
gnat.
bro. Look at this nigga face. What he say? Look like a strong ass. What? Nah, he clown emoji. Look at his face.
What you look like? Y'all look like twins.
You look like the scary movie.
Y'all was born a week apart.
What's that scream? The motherfucking maze, man. You just ugly. You look like.
Why you feel like people be talking about you?
I don't know. Shit, they mad because I'm in this little one room apartment with the Jaguar outside. You feel me? I don't know.
You living?
They always got something to say.
What you doing this week? What you run?
Huh?
What you run? What you run this weekend?
Oh, I'm on. Oh.
Hey, sweetie.
Hey, my darling.
Come to my job tonight. I work third shift at White Castle. I'm a soda changer.
Don't say that. Don't tell them don't do that. Tell them you do something else.
Okay.
Tell them you work at GM.
All right.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Tell them you work at GM. What kind of car you drive?
Shoot, I got a Jaguar front end. It's a Taurus. I couldn't find that. I I got in a wreck and couldn't find the Taurus front end, so I put a Jaguar front end on it.
What year is it?
I think it's like a 97, but it only got 80,000 miles on it.
You from Mississippi?
Who said that?
Nah.
What is going on? What are y'all talking about?
Are y'all coming? Are you gonna show your face?
Yeah, I'm right here.
All right. So what? Rate him 1 through 10.
Like a 7. Like a 7.
What you rate her?
City?
What you rate her?
Oh shit, she's about an 8 or a 9. I know she'll look good with a blonde wig on.
I'm crying.
So would you? So what? Y'all could probably get to know each other.
But look though, I'm a manager. I was at White Castle, but now I'm down at Dollar
No, bitch, you're
General.
fine. Fuck is you
You
talking
can
about?
come through there and get whatever you want.
Where you
The
from?
gas and electric, the gas. Man, I'm from Middletown, Ohio. I'm in between Dayton and Cincinnati. You hear me?
I said Cincinnati. You been to Philly before?
Nah, I rolled through there, but like they tried to steal my car, so I ain't never went back.
What part?
No. Do he look like your type?
I mean, we can see.
I know. I'll walk through 30 feet of snow to buy you some pads while you're on your period.
Why don't you rate Marco?
Nah, this him.
What else you got going on? You would say you work at White Castle. Okay. And what can you do?
No, I'm a manager at Dollar General now, and I steal cars and change the VIN number on them, and I could sell you a new car.
I got plenty of cars. What else can you do for me?
What else can I do for you?
Yeah.
Well, I can let you borrow my food stamp card on the first, and you can spend $200 off of it.
200. That's it. 200. I need 2 stacks from the rip.
And I got a box of Juneteenth shirts that I stuck, and I can let you have them too.
You got them with you?
Yeah, let me see.
Yeah. You want to see them?
Yeah, let me see. I might like them. Let me see.
Oh, okay, hold on.
I think it's a match. You gonna talk to him?
We'll see. Let's see if I like the shirts.
I'm saying you gonna DM him?
You like?
I don't. He gonna have to DM me. You know.
How many you want to buy?
I gotta see your merchandise first, sir. I gotta see the merchandise. I'm crying, yo.
Hold on, I got it. I ain't gonna lie to you. Hold on, I got you right here. I got liquor for sale too.
You got the Migos? Telesport. Oh, that old ass drink. Wow, get the fuck out of here. That old ass drink. It gets you where you need to be.
Oh, baby, I paid hell for that.
This is any fucking thing. I'm crying. He gonna pull out the TV. He said the shirts. Juneteenth. So wait, I can't use it for this year. It's over.
Oh,
right.
I thought it was next Friday.
Wait. The month is almost over, sweetie.
Oh, you still can use them. See?
He ain't even got good connection. Come on.
Hold on.
Why don't you put her with another?
We need another one.
So, she said another one. Thank you.
We need another one.
This speed dating.
Come on.
So, what you bringing to the table? What your dude that you fuck with?
Everything. I got. Let me have some. My own place, car. I got a career. You know. I'm that girl. Just don't mind me right now. I mean, y'all can see my page. I'm that girl.
Very much.
Thank you. My you know, I'm in a house with my girlfriend, so I'm not about to be out up.
What do you feel like do you feel like your standards are high?
What up, bro?
I think so.
She's single, so I was trying to cook y'all up.
Man, I don't even like fat girls, man.
Oh, hold up. Hold on. Because nobody's fat but you.
Don't put me on live with no fat hoe, man.
But nobody's fat but you, Biggie Smalls.
Man, your gap big
Fake ass roadway.
Man, the NFL really just called me. They said they need the goal.
Nigga, the car's leaning over because your fat ass is in it. Get the fuck off. Bye. Bye, Biggie.
You got a big face, big cheeks.
Biggie, you mad? You can't get.
Big nose.
You could never get me. Look at you. You look hungry.
I don't even like fat hoes.
You look hungry. I'm not fat. Your mother's fat, bitch.
My mama dead.
Oh, I don't give a fuck.
Yo, and you still fat.
Basket, bitch.
What did you talk about?
I don't give a fuck. You got
gonna be
right
fat Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
You got me, hoe, you country ass bucket.
You fat bitch. It's okay.
Your mom fat as shit. She turning her brain hungry as shit.
I'm gonna order you some Domino's.
Like your mama dead, bitch.
That's cool too. That's cool too.
The fuck? You got the right one.
Yo, and if you was in my face, I'll slap the fuck out you.
And
oh God, I will.
You got the right one.
What are you talking about? Yeah, I'm like that.
I'm sorry.
Bro, I'll get on the phone. Fat than a bitch.
I didn't know that was gonna go left. I'm trying.
Lord.
Clearly, that wasn't the match.
I think you should take a shot.
No, not all. Not all. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of got personal.
Baby, you don't need to add them on here no more, because all they do is just all day.
All right.
What's wrong with them?
You single?
Yes, I want you. I want nobody else, baby. I want you. I don't want nobody else, bitch. I want you, bitch.
Oh, what? That's how you. But look. No. I'm gonna try to tap you in with some people. Let people get a chance though. Let us get a 360 for the camera.
Who, me?
Yeah.
All right, I got some clothes on too. This is the right time.
Hey, I need come in. Brother, come in. Okay, keep twerking. Take that. Yeah, Go crazy. Yeah. Go crazy. Go crazy. All we got.
Girl, why this man come on here acting crazy like
How long you been single?
Since I came out my mama coochie.
Dang. What you feel like you bring to the table when it comes to your dude?
Okay, I'm a rapper. I'm a YouTuber. I got my own money. Got my own car. I got my own place, baby. Everything. So yeah, I'm that bitch for real. Bad Rouge and this bitch. Yeah, stop playing.
All right, so break it down when you say you that. Like, 5.
What you say?
Give us 5 definitions in that bitch.
I'm that bitch, man. I got my own money. I got everything. Like, what you mean?
Hold on.
Let's just break it down in one. Ain't no 5.
Somebody said they that nigga. Hold on, let me see your man Adam real quick. Hold on.
My way?
Now, somebody said they that nigga. I'm at the Adam real quick. He about to, I'm gonna make you out real quick.
I don't want them, babe. I want you, but okay.
He coming in. Yes, sir. Hold on.
Freestyle. But
No, not on here. That's only on TikTok. Okay, there he is.
Sure.
Oh, you a rapper? She said, can you freestyle?
Sign
Oh,
you,
no, I can freestyle right now.
Oh, you don't want to get signed.
Huh? Baby, y'all can just, I rap for real. But Marco, I really love you for real. You funny as fuck. I was just tapping in.
I don't know. I want to get you a Baton Rouge.
Huh?
I said I'm about to get you from Baton Rouge. Hold on real quick. I got you somebody. There we go.
Let me see who this is on y'all. Okay. He got the drip. Yeah. Let me get that. Get that.
Nah, what's up?
Where you from?
I'm from Florida.
Oh, he's from Florida, bitch. But you got a friend for my friend?
Where you from?
I'm from Louisiana, Baton Rouge shit. You know that rack shit. You know, dumb. Yeah.
Oh, shit, man. Chew that.
What you say, love?
I say chew that.
Yeah, I'm from Baton Rouge. Dumb shit.
Oh, you ain't never been to Florida?
Oh no, you gonna fly me out?
Shit, I see what's up. I'm gonna see what's up.
Yeah, fly me out. But say, Marco, you trying to connect me with the other people? I'm trying to see what's down with you. Yeah.
She said she wants you type shit.
It's my brother right here.
Who?
Yeah.
All right, but anyways, I'm gonna tap in. Bye.
What's up?
Nigga, you blew it, bro.
I blew it, man.
Bro, you she won, nigga. You fucking blew it.
She want you. She saying she wants you.
She talking about you, nigga. He blew it. He blew it. Let me see what we got in there. Oh no, she wanna she hella. Hold on real quick. Yeah. Are you showing your face? How old are you?
24.
Why you got them stars and shit?
It's a little galaxy light. I just got off work.
Okay. What you hold on, wait. Are you sure you 21 with the galaxy shit going on?
Oh my God, it's just a light.
She probably in high school. She got motherfucking you don't need to find shit. Hold on, I got you, bro. Okay, hold on. Let me scoot down to the bottom. I know I got some let's see what girl we got in here. All right, I got one. I got a legendary one in here, y'all. She said that's fucked up. We just talking about the galaxy lights. That's it.
Why would you ever?
Are you single?
Yeah, I'm single.
You can get in the light?
Oh, it's not.
Huh? What you look for? What you want?
I ain't looking for nothing. I mean, I'm looking for somebody that's gonna help me build my business.
Oh, she looking for a sponsor.
I'm looking for somebody that's not gonna waste my time.
Nah, you started off with build your business. You looking for a sponsor.
I don't want nobody that's not about
You
building.
want a sugar daddy.
No, I want
you a city girl.
I want somebody that's about building. You gotta
what you smoking? Because that's a lot of smoke. You smoking a cigarette?
Not at all. We smoke streets in front of where I'm from.
Where you from?
DC.
Oh, shit, I'm from Virginia.
Bye. I don't like Virginia niggas.
We don't like DC bitches.
Alright, bye. Goofy. Bye.
That ain't even body wave. That's yucky.
It definitely is.
That's the shit that you do braids with.
You tripping.
Let me see your edges. Come here. Okay. How old are you?
Nice. Them nice.
Yeah, you did a good job. How old are you?
Hit on that.
And look, it's not even done right now. I usually get it done.
How old is you?
31.
31? And you on the internet looking for love? Nah.
Not at all. I'm not.
No.
That's
She's not looking for love. She's looking for what's that called?
Exactly.
She looking for somebody for her business. What's your business?
I'm about to send a legendary mix of mobile bandits.
So what you like trying to open a club?
No, I'm opening up a lounge. And then I got a master's of mixology class where I teach people how to get their certification to be a bartender.
Oh, word. So the business is gonna be what?
The business is the school.
Hold on. I got for you.
All right.
I got somebody for you.
Okay.
Yeah. He gonna build some shit. All right.
All right.
He about to build it.
I believe I'm on here looking at his drive, but I don't even think.
Hey, who she?
I'm gonna fuck you up. Why you want
Marco. Oh, nah, she look.
I'm crying. Talk about some she look wet. Not true.
Where he go?
Not true. That's what I look.
Hold on, wait. He coming back. Don't hate.
Don't know he coming back. You better not bring him back.
He coming back. Hold on. Here he go. Here he go. React in the building.
Oh my God. Oh my shit. What's up, Miss Natural? She fine as hell.
He is so alert. Like, why don't do this to me? I'm not her. I'm not her.
This shit all natural, Miss Natural. What's cracking lacking?
It's definitely.
Hey, what's your name? My name React.
Hey, Rap for it. Rap for it, React. Do that
I
rap.
said, which one we sing? Which one we sing? I said, look, shake that ass, shake it like you never seen it. Pick it up now, drop it down low, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it like you never seen it. Left cheek, right cheek, I want to see you shake it, drop it down, pick it up, I want to see you take it. All this money in my hand, I want to see you make it. One dance, non-stop, I want to see a Drake hit, no stress. I do this for my woes. If I can make it rain, I want to see you do the most. That ass get it cracking, I want to get a dose. See the truth in the club, and I'm investing like ghosts. It's my first time here, and I'm back in the man. We don't know you want a city, and I don't give a damn. Smacking the cheeks with the front to the back of my hand. Pick up your phone, follow me. I'm the man on the gram. No blue check, and they know me well. No emoji, but I'm the shit I you sell. Go live outdoors is what the gale.
Definitely.
React like what the hell? Shake that ass, shake it like you never seen it. Pick it up now, drop it down low. That shit go crazy.
Yeah, that definitely go crazy, baby.
Hell yeah. Woo.
Hey, React. Hey, React. Ask it.
I do a hey, you want my number? I'm gonna give you my number.
Where you from?
I'm from California.
Yeah.
I'm from the Bay Area.
Marco, why you laughing? Where he from?
What's up? Huh? Hey.
Why you laughing? Where you from, Marco?
You want my number? I'll give you my number.
Send me your number, baby.
I'm gonna say my number. What the hell? That shit go crazy.
You gotta book me some events and
listen, I got you.
I got a couple of bars that I bartended in Oakland already, but I need some in LA.
Oh my
yeah,
God.
I'm a bartender.
Oh my God. Listen, I'm lit as a motherfucker. So I'm gonna tell you something. What you mean? I'll be over there, man.
Yes, he definitely look like Kermit.
Hold up, I'll be over there. Huh?
It's definitely.
Oh shit, I don't got my ID, but I need some more liquor. What? What you mean? Hold up. Hey, listen.
All right, Marco, get some
I got my ID. Listen, I'm gonna tell you what. Hey, let me take you on a date. You find it fair. Where we finna go? Look, you got a fact.
Marco, all right, I need another one.
Look, okay, man. Hey, Marco, stay on my nigga. What the hell?
Hey, what's going on, React?
What's cracking like, man?
What you doing, bro?
I'm outside getting lit.
What?
I need me another motherfucking bottle. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't drunk enough.
Where you at?
Me, I'm at the bars. Yeah, where you at?
How many numbers you get?
I got 50. What's up, man? How you doing? What's up? What? Oh shit. What's up? How you doing? Where she at? Where she go? Hey, sir, you dropped your pocket. One more time. You dropped your pocket. Nah, I'm just kidding. That nigga, he look. That nigga look. Hey, he look. What's up? Where you at? What's up, my niggas? Hey. So look.
Hey, 1X talking shit. Hold on. Get on 1X. He ain't here talking.
1X, you talking shit?
Yeah, I'm talking shit, pussy ass nigga.
You a pussy ass nigga, ugly ass nigga.
Nigga, what do you mean? I'm ugly, nigga.
Get a motherfucking
Fat
haircut.
ass gap, nigga.
I'm drunker than a motherfucker. What's up, my niggas? What the hell? 1X.
Talking, bro.
Kiss my black ass with your fat forehead. Your skin dirty as hell. You some proactive to clean that shit. That's what you need. Get that rusty ass, dusty, whatever the fuck is out your face, motherfucker. I'm drunker than a motherfucker. I'm coming.
Hey, you look like